Most people know about Madagascar from the movie, but let's talk about it in reality. Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world and is located southeast of mainland Africa. Rainforests in Madagascar are some of the most biodiverse in the world, and they have extremely high levels of endemism, which means that the species found in Madagascar are found nowhere else on the planet. There are over 100 lemur species, nearly 300 bird species, nearly 400 reptile species, over 200 amphibian species, thousands of insect species, and over 10,000 plant species. And all of those are just what has been scientifically described. There are many that we don't know about. And the ones that we do know about are extremely understudied. Some of my favorite Malagasy species include ring-tailed lemurs, like King Julian, aye-ayes, which weirdly are lemurs, Fuso, they eat lemurs, Peril-like ground rollers, comet moths,
satanic leaf-tailed geckos,
baobabs, and octopus trees. But unfortunately for these species and others, Madagascar has lost over 90% of its forest cover, which is especially obvious with satellite imagery. See the dark green line running north to south? That's rainforest, and the eastern third of the island should be that color. But it's mostly gone. Deforestation in Madagascar is caused by many things, but the root reason is dire economic conditions that stem from the ravages of colonialism. In fact, Madagascar is one of the poorest countries on Earth. One of the primary reasons for deforestation in Madagascar is timber harvest to make charcoal, which is then used to cook with since huge swaths of the country don't have access to electricity, much less a stove to cook with. This has resulted in much of the landscape being converted to invasive grassland, which burns frequently. So wildfires are also a major threat to these forests. Climate change-driven extreme weather events like cyclones and droughts will only exacerbate these issues. But hope is not lost. There are many organizations, including us, the Phoenix Conservancy, working on solutions that are both forward-thinking and holistic. Conservation and restoration practices must center and uplift local communities to be successful, with the end goal being sustainable, stable, economic, and ecological development that benefits both humans and the environment alike. Give us a follow and keep your eye out for more information about Madagascar, its plants and animals, and our restoration efforts.